Dear students, dear students, good evening. Welcome to Electromagnetic Waves and Transmission Line. This is Dr. P. Janardhan Sai Kumar. This semester I will teach electromagnetic waves and transmission lines. Dear students, welcome back. Today we will discuss about national and global quantum missions, and also we will discuss about India's quantum mission, Europe, USA and China. National and global quantum missions are focusing on India, the Europe Union, USA and China along with major goals and examples for each. The quantum technologies are become strategically important worldwide. Countries are investing heavily to lead in computing, quantum communication, quantum sensing due to their potential to revolutionize national security, healthcare, finance and more. In India's national quantum mission, it is launched, approved by the Union Cabinet in April 2023 by Department of Science and Technology. The budget is around $730 million for 8 years, which is around 6,300 3.65 crores. The main goals of this Indian quantum mission is to develop 50 to 100 qubit quantum computers by 2031, establish quantum communication across 2000 kilometers of optical fiber, create national quantum labs, innovation hubs and training programs, build skilled manpower and promote indigenous technology. The key projects are quantum key distribution or QKD trials. DRDO and IIT Delhi, they are testing the quantum communication, satellite-based secure communication, quantum simulation and quantum materials research hubs. Examples: India quantum key distribution demonstration between Prayagraj and Vadodara 100 plus kilometers for secure power grid communication. Coming to the European Union, the quantum flagship program, which is launched in 2018, the budget 1 billion euro pound Europe euros, which is 2018 to 2028, 10 years. The framework under Horizon Europe, the goals are strengthening the European leadership in quantum technology, commercialize quantum computing and sensing applications, develop quantum internet infrastructure for secure communication. Initiatives: the Open SuperQ, building a quantum computer with 100 plus qubits, Quantum Internet Alliance, QIA, developing a pan-European quantum network, QVIC, Quantum Industry Consortium, connecting academia and startups. Example: Quantum Internet Alliance is working on connecting multiple European quantum labs through entangled networks. United States National Quantum Initiative NQI, which is launched in 2018 under the National Quantum Initiative Act. The budget $1.2 billion over 5 years initially allotted. The main goals of this initiative is build large scale quantum computers, enhance quantum workforce development, strengthen collaborations between government, academia and industry. Institutions involved: DOE, Department of Energy; NIST, National Institute of Standards and Technology; NSF, National Science Foundation. The major centers are QNext, Argonne National Labs, Quantum Leap Challenge Institutes, IBM, Google, Microsoft, all running commercial quantum programs. The examples are: in 2019, Google AI USA achieved quantum supremacy using its 53 qubit Sycamore processor. The China Quantum Leap program, which is launched around 2018 under Made in China 2025 strategy, investment of over $10 billion. Examples are: National Laboratory for Quantum Information Sciences in HEFI, goals lead in quantum communication, computing and sensing, develop quantum satellites, secure networks and large-scale quantum computing. Achievements: Messier satellite, first quantum satellite enabling entanglement-based QKD over 1200 kilometers, world's first quantum encrypted communication between Beijing and Shanghai, progress in photonic quantum computing. Example: China's Zhuang quantum computer performed Gaussian boson sampling faster than any classical supercomputer, showing quantum advantage in photonic systems.